Hey folks, this is your man Sean back again with this month's edition, the November edition of Inside AssetIntel, our interesting video newsletter series where you get a glimpse of the most recent updates on inspectX, emergencyX, a few of our client relations, and deep dive into our team. Well, stay tuned in the video and check out more about what's happening inside AssetIntel.
Hello, my name is Kenny Tong, and I am the Customer Success Manager at AssetIntel. Today, I'm very excited to share some of our monthly inspectX updates with you. Welcome to this month's update on inspectX. We have implemented several improvements that we are excited to share with you. First, we have streamlined the filtering process. Now, when you apply a filter, the associated attributes will automatically get added to the columns in the list view. So for example, I want to filter by dead condition, superstructure condition, as well as substructure condition. For the sake of demo, I'm just going to put good condition. And then when you hit search, the deck super sub will automatically get added to the list view columns. So this is going to be a time saver when you're trying to build your report, and you won't have to manually add the columns one at a time. Second, we have added support for text fields in the drop-down filter section. Now you can type directly into the text box, and inspectX will automatically filter assets containing those characters. So for example, you would like to filter by features intersected. This is a text field. And you want to filter assets that contain a river underneath the structure. So you type in river and hit enter. And inspectX will automatically filter out the assets that contain river in the feature intersected field. And finally, a special shout out to the Tennessee DOT for their contribution to a very useful feature. You can now apply bulk template creation for many-to-one tables within inspections. For example, for SMBI posting evaluations, we have added templates specifically designed for Tennessee DOT. So we click on the drop-down here, and you will see 3 pre-configured templates. And when you select one template, let's say interstate, and when you hit continue, inspectX will automatically populate the table with the pre-configured values. In this case, all the vehicle configuration will be pre-populated. This eliminates the need to add vehicles one at a time and greatly speeds up the data input for low rating inspections. Those were the major updates for this month. Stay tuned for our next installment with more amazing updates on inspectX.
Hello, I'm Hooman Parvarde and I'm the CEO at AssetIntel. Today I'm very excited to share the updates of emergencyX software with you. Hi everyone. So today I'm going to talk to you about some of the enhancements that we've made in the map section of the flood monitoring. So I'm going to go to the map section, and the enhancements are under the select layer. You see there are 3 options that are added there. One is radar stations. So when I click on the radar station, we can see all the radars. These are NEXRAD radars on the map throughout the United States. The second one is stream gauge. So basically we can see all the stream gauges for the client environment here. And the nice thing is that these are color coded based on the level of flooding. For example, green means no flood, or gray means unknown flood. And these color codings are updated every 6 hours. So you keep seeing the latest information. And if you click on any of these, You can see basically the code for the gauge, and also get to the page of that gauge and get more information from Noah. And the last thing that we're working on is not finalized yet, is a precipitation intensity layer that would show us where the areas that are basically experiencing precipitation and what is the intensity. This is something that we're still working on. You will see the finalized version for the next month. So again, the updates for this month, where you can see the radar stations, you can see the stream gauges, and the stream gauges are color coded based on the condition of the stream gauge. And finally, we can see the precipitation intensity layer. These enhancements should be able to help you with getting better insight into how the flood monitoring program and alerts work. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's me back again, and let's just deep dive a little bit into our client relations. We are really proud to announce that the state of Nevada's Department of Transportation has procured inspectX for an easy and streamlined method of managing their asset infrastructure inventory and an efficient way of inspecting the same. They also have procured SNBIX or SNBIX, which helps them seamlessly transition from NBI data to SNBI data standards. At the same time, they've also procured emergencyX, which helps them monitor, manage, and respond to their asset infrastructures during the times of a disaster like an earthquake or a flood. We're really proud to assist the Nevada DOT, and we sincerely hope to help them reach a new level of operational excellence. Well, guys, before we get into the team update, did you know that it's been over 3 consecutive years that we have stood strong in maintaining and being compliant with the SOC2 Type 2 data security standards? If you want to learn a little bit more about that, we are going to leave a link to the blog that we have written about it in the description section. Please check it out below. Well, this was important because we are going to be introducing you to our Chief Compliance Officer, Khurram Malik. Well, Khurram comes in with over 15 years of experience in IT data security, protection, and compliance management. We're really proud to have him on the team, and the security standards that we comply with in helping and protecting our clients' data is solely managed by Khurram. Kudos to him on that. Well, guys, that's about it for this month. If you are sincerely interested in bringing a new level of excellence and operational efficiency in your asset infrastructure inspections and inventory management, check out the playlist here. At the same time, stay tuned in to know more about AssetIntel and what's happening with us. For that, subscribe.